Welcome to B.Tech Material Science and Engineering program at MIT World Peace University, Pune.
Our materials science and engineering programs offers a fundamentally strong, industry-oriented and research-integrated curriculum that includes metals, semiconductor, biocomposite, biomaterials, nanomaterials, sustainable smart materials, energy harvesting and energy generating materials.
Every lecture here challenges us to think critically about all the materials shaping our world and all the endless possibilities they hold.
Working with advanced equipments has deepened my understanding of how materials work in real-world applications.
We also have computational material science with a special touch of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. We also have advanced functional materials lab, which focuses on synthesis and characterization of piezoelectric materials, nanomaterials, and semiconductor materials.
At MIT WPU campus, my research on sustainable material development was an inspiring journey, showcasing how sustainability can draw innovation.
By observing material innovation in an industrial setting, one can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities, challenges, and reward associated with translating theoretical concept into impactful solution that addresses real-world needs.
With emphasis on problem-based training and partnerships with leading industries, we prepare you for careers in government R&D labs, aerospace, electronics, energy, and manufacturing sectors.
Our department has very strong connect with established universities like Nanyang University, UMass Lowell, Monash, and we intend to empower our students by sending them there for summer internships, for doing their masters, so that they will get enriched in their knowledge and get opportunities to work in foreign universities itself as well as foreign industries.
The insights from the industry experts have broadened my perspective and have inspired me to innovate for a sustainable future.
We are carrying out a lot of research in the department. I'll just show you a small demo regarding what we have done with jackfruit waste. This is what the jackfruit waste is like, and this is what we chemically treat. And then what we have here is industrial pollutant, which is acid red, which comes out of textile industry. I'll just demonstrate to you that a small bit of this, and the color will just disappear within no time. So now it is decreasing and then it will completely vanish.
Our B.Tech in Material Science and Engineering offers outstanding opportunities in research and development field. Explore research and development career by hands-on learning experience such as scanning electron microscopy, XRD, DAC, EGA, sodium ion battery, supercapacitor, Raman spectroscopy.
The placement opportunities here have paved the way for an exciting career in materials innovation. The top Indian companies recruiting our students is Reliance Industries Limited, Tata Steel Limited, and Kajaria Group of Industries.
Transform your passion for engineering in meaningful career. Join Department of Material Science and Engineering at MIT World Peace University, Pune.